Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm here to just quickly announce the winners for the giveaway that I had shared with you in my last video. I want to apologize that it's taking me a little longer to come on here to announce the winners. I've just had a few things happening at home with renovations, so it has been pretty noisy in the house and with work and just a lot of things happening. So I just want to apologize, but I'm going to come on here now to quickly announce the winners. I did say I was going to announce 3 winners for the prize, which is these envelopes that I had a die cut, and you're going to get 3 random different printed envelopes in this sort of style. And when you put it together, it looks like this one. And it's just a cute little mini envelope, great for you to use with any project. So they will come flat like this, and then you just assemble it. You'll also receive 3 random smaller size envelopes as well. And I don't have the sample size to show you, but these are really cute as well. So you'll get you will receive 12 envelopes in the mail if you are the winner. I've made it this way because it'll be easier for me to ship, especially if you're an international winner. And it will be sent in a blank craft card, and you can also then use this for your projects and decorate it and embellish it the way you like. I will have this sealed in some plastic to keep it protected, and it will just be placed in one of these blank cards and then inside one of these envelopes, and then you'll have your address on the front. And also it will be sent to you as a standard economy shipping, and so it may take a little while to get to you. It might be about 4 weeks or so. I do apologize for that as well, but that's just the way the postal system is at the moment. All right, so I'm going to just take these out, and I love doing giveaways, but I also hate doing giveaways because I wish I could give these prizes to everyone that had left comments down below in the video. Really, thank you so much for everyone that had entered and just liking all of my videos. And the way that I am always, I can't help myself. I can't just give away 3 winners for the prize. So I've decided to do the giveaway to 6 lucky winners instead of 3. And I'm just going to show you the winners, and I want to apologize in advance if I do pronounce your names incorrectly. So I do apologize for that. So the first winner, so I have 6 winners for these envelopes. The first winner is Margie Davidson. So congratulations, Margie, for winning one of these sets. I also have Jennifer Reel. So congratulations to you as well. We have Charlie 49, Sheila Pearl, Jacqueline Teague, and Lillian Gersbers. Sorry, Lillianders, if I've pronounced your name incorrect. But these are the 6 winners for my giveaway. Congratulations, ladies. If you want to send me your postal details through my email, which I'll put the link down below this video, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can also direct message me through my Instagram and send me your address as well, so I can post these cute little gifts out to you. Again, thank you everybody for joining in the giveaway, and I hope I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.